Move over! Ready? 1, 2, kick!
Hey, what's the kick?
Steps on me! Ready? 1, 2, 3!
Musical chairs has just become a new name.
I can't do this! How are we going to do the back throw? Kick it the other way.
2, 3!
Wait. Don't kick too hard because these might go backwards.
But if you get it on tape, we can make a lot of money with it.
Whoa, hey!
Oh, hey,
Move
baby.
over!
You know what's funny? Hey, wait. You know what's funny? Before we were like, you know, we don't want to miss the
Whoa, this one's going to totally fall.
That would be my idea, thank you. I just started kicking. Kind of easy. Let's put your hands.
On the count of push.
1,
1, 2.
Hey, look at that.
wait.
On the count of bricks. 1, 2.
Where'd my Gatorade go?
Have fun finding it.
Third seat from the front.
Now I have no place to sit.
Oh!
Now what do we do?
Damn it.
Start dragging him out to the dumpster.
No,
Why? Just leave them.
Because the reason why we started doing it is because he was like, there's a lot of wood down there, and this is going to be too
I
much
ain't touching
work.
it. No.
Don't worry about
I
it.
ain't touching it. No.
Why? Okay, hello, how much money we have, how much money is under our feet? I'm serious. Think about it.
Not this minute, though.
Not right now.
I found the candy.
But
Now it's video.
This is
Yeah.
this is the next stage of Melbourne Civic Theatre, the downtown theatre in Melbourne, which will now be called the Melbourne Civic Theatre.
We got the keys. Let's move.